In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom member profiles in Wix with almost no code. We'll set this up using the built-in members area so you get a polished profile experience without digging into complex development. Start in your Wix editor and open the apps panel by clicking the Add Apps icon. In the search bar, type member, then select Wix members area from the results. If it's not already part of your site, go ahead and install it. This adds a set of member-only pages that handle sign-in, account details, and profiles automatically. Once the app is installed, open the Pages panel in the left toolbar. You'll now see a new section called Members Area. Click it to reveal all the pages that come with the app. This is a great moment to get familiar with what's included, since each page plays a role in the overall member experience. Next, open the My Account page. This acts as the central hub for each member's profile. With the page selected, click Settings for the My Account section. This is where you'll customize the content and appearance to match your brand and the kind of information you want members to see first. In the Settings panel, go to Texts. Update the title so it clearly communicates what this page is about, something welcoming and on brand. Then refine the subtitle to provide helpful context, such as what members can manage here or where they can find profile details. Keep your copy concise, friendly, and consistent with your site's tone. Now switch to Layout. Here, you can control how elements are arranged on the page, what shows up, what's emphasized, and how sections flow. Choose a structure that makes it easy for members to scan and act, and keep mobile users in mind by opting for layouts that stack cleanly and maintain good spacing. Finally, head to Design. Adjust colors, fonts, borders, and buttons so the member profile area feels like a seamless extension of your site. Prioritize readability and contrast for accessibility, and stick to a consistent typographic hierarchy so headings, labels, and actions are easy to identify at a glance. As you customize, use the editor's preview to see changes in context and on different screen sizes, and remember to save your work frequently. With these adjustments, you've transformed the default members area into tailored professional profiles. No heavy coding required. That's all you need to build custom member profiles in Wix quickly and confidently.